So the first thing I'm going to do is sign into the console using my root user. And once in the console, I'm going to go to the IAM service, the Access and Identity Management Service. From here, I'm going to create a new user to give CLI access to for the purpose of this demo. So I'm just going to call this demo user. We need to take programmatic access because we need the access key ID and secret access key in the form of the credentials file for the CLI access. And I'm also going to give console access because usually you would do this as well. Give it a password. My user will not be required to reset the password when they sign in. And next, permissions. So you can add the user to an existing group, you can copy permissions from an existing user, or you can attach a policy. For the purpose of this demo, I'll just attach the administrator access policy. You can also assign tags as key value pairs to identify different objects within AWS. For the purpose of this demo, I'll just leave those blank. You get a summary page. Everything's fine, so I'll just click create user. Once the user is created, this is key. So you must download this .csv file. This is the credentials file that contain the keys you need, both the access key and the secret access key to use CLI tools. Now, if you don't download this file, you have to create a new set of credentials to this user. So please download it at this stage. Once downloaded, go over to aws.amazon.com/CLI. And on the right hand side, you will see the options to install CLI for Windows. I'm on a 64-bit machine, so I will download the 64-bit install wizard. Click on the icon once it's downloaded. It's a pretty straightforward wizard. Just click next and agree to the relevant information. Click install. Yes, I want to install, and it will install in a few seconds. I may pause the video here and I'll pick it up once it's installed. Okay, so that's us installed. If you click finish, that is everything complete. If you go to your start menu and you type in PowerShell and you go to Windows PowerShell, you will load up a blue screen like so. If you type in AWS configure, it should be prompted for information. Okay, so what you need to do now is go grab that credentials file from your download folder that we got earlier. So start downloads. It should be at the top. Yep, credentials file. I'm going to delete this user after I'm done, so I will show you everything at this point. The first thing that it's asking for is the access key ID, which is here, and then Control V it in. Then it needs the access key itself, which is here. So Control C, Control V, and then my region is EU West 1. Please change this to the region that you're working in. And then I would like my output in JSON. And then as a test, we can say AWS I am help, and it will give you the command prompts for help within IAM. And then if you hit Control Q, Control C, that's you out.